London Brewing Company, so what are you and what are you about? I see you've got a East End lager on.
So we are a microbrewery in East London. We've been going since 2011. We brew a range of real ales for bottle and for cask and for keg and for can. And we have just launched our new cans and keg brands, which are East End Lager and Beyond the Pale IPA.
What is an IPA, please?
It stands for Indian Pale Ale. So it's a very traditional British drink that started when we used to ship it overseas many hundreds of years ago. So it hasn't changed massively. The styles have changed.
Yeah, the styles have changed. Obviously the IPAs in America changed the way that they taste compared to back then, but it's a lot of influence from the American craft beer scene, which is what you'll see in this session IPA.
This is available in our new cans and also in our kegs.
And which one is the IPA out of those
two? And the IPA is just coming now. The IPA is a very juicy, hazy, delicious, citrusy IPA. There you go. So you can see the difference in the colour.
There's a big difference, isn't it?
And if you can smell it, you can smell the grapefruity notes of the hop is called Citra.
Very nice. And then this obviously goes in the 5%, the 3.8 and the 4.5%.
Yes, that's right.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.